The system has a new way to modify ship dates. This is particularly useful when you have items with a given ship date and the product has not arrived yet and you need to nudge that date out. There's some text down here on this slide that shows how to do that, but let's just do a video and look at the method to do that. So on the to get to the pre-book system, of course, is a 3, 22, 19, and the place we're talking about is option number 2. Now there are a couple different ways to get to this menu, but that's the way I usually go. So option 2 is where the changes took place. So let's come down here, and so for those unfamiliar with this, is a way to look at upcoming pre-books and do you have enough quantity and things of that nature. Most people will be familiar with that, but let's just refine our search here by putting a date range in. We'll say the month of June. And I want to find an item with insufficient order quantity, just to sort of show how that piece works together. You don't have to do it that way, but this is probably the most frequently needed use case for it. So if I press F15 to just restrict, because I could have had other items on here, but now it's just showing items with insufficient quantity for my needs within this date range. You have other qualifiers at the top. Now, the actual tool to make this change, if you do a 5 beside an item, and it will come in and show you. So that's my Snicker peanut butter item. These are ship dates upcoming, all set to 6/25/22, but I have insufficient quantity to fulfill that. That date's already come and gone. So I want to make that change. So this is really where the change that we're talking about comes up. So a new function key has been added to this screen, F24. Let's press that. That's going to prompt us for a date. So F24. So I'm going to take everything. All these things are set to 6/25. Let's just nudge them out to July the 6th for an example. And so what happens is it goes across all the records listed and changes them on the screen so you can view it to the date that you entered. Now you'll note this message down here at the bottom. Review the dates, then press enter to finalize the change. So they're changed on the screen, but you have not affected the change yet until you press enter that second time, and that's why that message is there. So I'm going to press enter. And bingo bango, that is done. Now if I get out of here, press F3, and now I have nothing within those dates because I have my end date is out here. So let's just bump this out to July 6th of 22. Now there's my item back again. I still don't have enough quantity, but I've nudged the date out, and let's just verify our results by doing a 5 there. You won't have to do this. I just want to show as an example that it does do it. So all these have bumped out now to the 6th of July. So that is a handy way to do that. There are other ways with global tools. If I just show that by pressing F2, of course you've been able to do it from here for a long time, but the suggestion was made to do it from the other screen as well, because over here you're actually viewing the items maybe that don't have sufficient quantity or for some other criteria, and a little more convenient to do it from here. You do handle it item by item in here because we don't want to change too many things at once in case somebody makes a mistake and has a lot of things to undo. But that's the new feature, so we hope you enjoy that, and please give us feedback if you have other suggestions for it.